Well, good morning. Hey, green grass. It's been a while. Trees are starting to bud out a little bit. Lawn care equipment's on. We've been doing some lawn care. Snowbanks are finally gone. It is May 11th, and kind of cold this morning. 36 degrees when we got up, but it's been 70 the last couple days. It'll get back there in another day or so. Silver Ford's back. There is nothing on this truck that's not new. Motor, valve body in the transmission, torque converter, pan, complete wire harness in the whole truck. They still have one glitch in it. Got some dirt. Let's get some dirt on it. Got one glitch in the computer system, and they're working on it to put a fix in the computer. It came down to a failure in the throttle body wiring that shorted out the system, took out the body control module, computer, fuel pump relay systems, fuel pump management, ignition, injector pulse system. So yeah, it's back and running. It has a little glitch once in a while when it's cold. It may stall, but after you run it for 5-8 minutes, it's fine and it runs fine. But they got to fix that glitch, and they're working on it right now, trying to figure out a patch or something to put in it to do that. So yeah, let's just like get all dented up. So yeah, I got to get the sander off that today. I'm gonna try something different. I bought this little running gear a year ago and was going to make a little wagon out of it. I still probably will, but I'm going to put that sander on this so it can be washed. Add a couple little pieces on there so I can put some 4x4 posts on there so I can hold the sander up in the air so I can wash it. And then I may just leave it on this year because I'm probably not going to get a chance to work on this little wagon. So yeah, some of the snow removal equipment away. The new loader's going good. Walk behind sweeper, I had it out. Had a fellow I know used it. We don't use it much anymore, but he swept his lawn with it, said it worked awesome. That's how I used to sweep everything years ago. 52 is out. Haven't been anywhere with it, but I got it out. I drove it around. It sat outside a couple times. It's going to go back outside in a minute. Done some more work on the rat rod, on the air suspension. Sweeper on the trackless. Some of the lawnmowers and such are out. Got to have today off. It's Friday, and I'm going to try to get some things cleaned up before I go out and do a couple more cleanups with the cleanups and first mow. We basically had snow up to 2 weeks ago, so we are out of the snow, hopefully for good for this year. So, yep, just a quick update. I'll bring you up to date when on the front airbag suspension on that. I've got them all welded in. I'm going to put the airbags on it hopefully later this afternoon and get the air in the front suspension so I can get it back into a roller. I'm going to do a few more welds on the bottom of it before I bring it over on the side, and I'm going to put it over on the other side off the hoist. I got to put the Jeep in on the hoist to do the clutch. I got another Jeep out back. I'm going to change the transmission out of the red Jeep because it is sloppy on the top and pops out of gear. So I got another transmission, another Jeep we're going to pull out. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll give you a little more update this afternoon on my progress of everything I'm doing. Hopefully I get something done today. Wheelbarrow flap. Probably a huge job I'll have today, but I got to fix that also. Okay. Thanks for subscribing, commenting. We're finally into spring. Hope to 80 this coming week. That'll dry some up. Gotta haul some topsoil and get that screen. Got a lot of orders for topsoil and sand. Okay, thanks.